Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can connect a Twitch channel to your Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner, so your username, and then just click settings. When you'll be in settings, right here, right before recommendations, you're gonna see connections. Click on it, and you're gonna see like share your game metadata when you go live, Steam, connect. And here you just need to log in here. I think this was my username, I don't know. Or it's different. And voila, here we have it. And this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is how we get connected. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.